Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Fife coming at you live here from our classroom. I want to start off today by telling you my exciting news. I'm so excited. I have decided that at the end of this school year I'm going to quit my job, and I have taken a job as a professional ballet dancer. I'm going to travel all around the world entertaining audiences with my amazing ballet dancing. Just kidding. April Fools. Today, boys and girls, is Tuesday, April 1st, 2020. Here is how we write our date, April 1st, 2020. April is the fourth month of the year, so we've got 4-1-20. Today is our 126th day of school. We've got 100, 2 10s, and 6 1s. In expanded form, that's 100 plus 20 plus 6 equals 126. We've got our daily schedule here. You're doing your morning meeting. Then you need to go get dressed. Don't forget to get dressed. During math, you will be learning about picture graphs. In a picture graph, you use pictures to show how many of each item you're counting. Then you need to go make your bed. During reading workshop for spelling, you're going to practice your spelling words. You can practice them any way you want to, just make sure you're practicing. Take a break to go feed your spider. During reading today, I would like you to think about what you've been learning about the animal that you've been studying, and I want you to tell somebody everything you know about that animal, everything that you've learned. You can tell your dog, your stuffed animal, or another person if you have one around. Then it would be a good time to go brush your hair. After that, I would like you for writing to get out your black journal and write down 3 questions that could be answered from the book you've been reading. Then give your quiz to somebody or send it to me on Seesaw. After that, as always, you need to help your family do their chores, and then make sure you get some outside time. Today, boys and girls, is our first live classroom meeting. So what I want you to do at 10 o'clock is to click on the blue button below the video, and you will be directed to an assignment in your Google Classroom. And once you click on that, you'll be able to join our Zoom classroom meeting. Hope to see you there. I'm very excited to see you live and in person today. All right, take care. Bye.